I believe that most affiliates or most new entrepreneurs in general tend to fail because they have the wrong expectations. So, what do I mean by that? Well, typically, especially for me, when I was first new to the entrepreneurial realm, I was exposed to people that talked about how you can make hundreds, thousands, or more per day pretty much instantly. And that kind of sets you up with false expectations in a way that when you do experience your first setback, you're just going to quit and try to find something else that's easier and that fulfills that fantasy. So, what I want to do in this course is share the truth, which is you should expect difficulty, you should expect things to not go the way as planned, and you should expect to fail and lose money at the beginning. Now, that might not sound encouraging, but it's the truth. And if you prepare for that, then you can move forward and eventually succeed. Now, the thing with affiliate marketing is, yeah, it is, I guess, easier than other jobs. This isn't manual labor. Sure, there is mental labor involved. Sure, we don't have to work 8 hours a day or more. Yeah, we could have campaigns running 24/7, etc. And yes, there are benefits. Yes, there are things that make it better than a traditional job if that's what you're looking for. But one thing to keep in mind is it's still a job in a way. Business is a job times 100. We're doing things with more responsibility, more work. We're reaching more people. We're influencing more people. We're working with more partners. We have to report to customers, affiliate networks, advertisers, and so on. And we're taking more responsibility. We're becoming more. We have more skills and we have to experience more risk. And because of that, we are potentially earning more than someone in a traditional job. And the reason I bring this up is because it's not entrepreneurship is not about doing less or becoming less. It's about being more and doing more. This is why we get higher rewards. So I just want to stress that across because with the right mindset, you could pretty much succeed with any method or business opportunity. But with the wrong mindset, chances are you're going to fail at everything. So, with that said, when you launch your first campaign, expect to lose money at first. And why do we lose money? Well, even though we're targeting countries and devices that may convert best, even though we spied our best and found a campaign that is potentially working, chances are, like I've mentioned before, we still don't know everything. We don't know whether this affiliate is getting paid more than what we're getting paid per lead or per sale. We also don't know exactly how much he's bidding. If we do know how much he's bidding, well, we may not know how much he's bidding per each widget ID because you can bid different amounts for different widget IDs. We also may not know whether he's day parting or not. If we do know he's day parting, we still don't know what hours, what days, and exact times, and so on. We don't know. There's still a lot of things we don't know. So even though we launch to the best of our abilities, we are going to lose money at first. So expect that. So with that in mind, expect that. And that kind of begs the question, what else should you expect? What's the positive outcome you should expect? One, you shouldn't expect to make money right away. But two, what you should expect is you should launch multiple campaigns. If you only launch one, the main goal is to find out when you launch this right away, can you make it profitable? Now, how do you determine that? Well, that comes to experience and confidence in your experience and ability. And that also comes down to whether you're getting enough traffic and conversions right away. If you're getting traffic but no conversions, yet you launch another campaign and you're getting traffic and conversions, even if you're not profiting, that's a better sign than the other campaign that has zero conversions. So this is why I tend to launch 2 to 3 campaigns at a time because I compare them between the three and see which ones are getting conversions. I'm not looking to profit right away. I'm looking for signs of life, signs that I can turn this campaign around. That's what you should be looking for. So, as an example, I have old data right here from a gaming campaign that's a cost per lead type of campaign. And as you can see here, at the very first day I launched this, I'm negative 50%. I'm almost negative 60% when I launched this. The next day, I'm negative 40, negative 46, negative 40, negative 90, negative 100, negative 100, and so on. And even though I'm negative, first of all, I don't worry because I'm playing with money I can afford to lose. This is just a game to me, a fun game where I can make some money playing it. And number two, when I launch this campaign and I see I'm only down negative 50 or so, I'm happy because I know I can turn that around into a profitable campaign. And I'll discuss ways you can do that in the future lectures. But again, the only thing we're looking for at the very beginning is to see whether it's getting signs of life. Is it getting conversions right away? Or is it getting traffic right away? Those are the main things you should look for. Ideally, you should get both. You should be getting traffic and conversions right away, even though you're not profitable. Those are good signs. And if you're launching multiple campaigns at the same time, you should choose between the best of the 2 or 3 that you launch. So if 2 of the campaigns are around negative 50, negative 60% ROI, and then one campaign is negative 10 or negative 30, you should likely go with that negative 30 ROI campaign because it's much easier to turn around that campaign versus the other 2, especially when you're starting out. So I hope that helps. Have the right expectations. Again, you're just looking for signs of life, not profit right away. So this is Paulo Purdue from libertyblueprint.com. Take care. Hope that helps. See you on the next lecture.